C230 Mercedes Benz. We tried to move the gears. We jumped the car. We try everything. And I'm going to show you the easiest way to move this to neutral or any gear that you want. You don't need even the key. So you remove the cup holder right here, and there is a hole right here in the cup holder. So what you see, you gotta push. It's like a little lever right there. You push that little lever. I'm gonna show you. You see, I tried to move the gears, didn't move, but as soon as I'm gonna put a screwdriver there and I'm gonna push that lever, you see how easy the gears they move. So is that lever right there. Okay guys, of course there is a part right here that is missing, and all these look like crap because I sent it to a mechanic to change the harness and they ended up destroying this car. Anyways, that's not the important thing about this video. Just push these little levers and you don't even need the key to move the gears.